Hello everyone, this is lithium 9 volts battery. It works like your normal 9 volts battery, but this can be recharged. You can see infinite ERB 9 volts 800 mAh rechargeable battery. Let's open this and we'll see how the battery looks. This battery is very lightweight, and we can see here we are getting this micro USB port for charging this battery. Charging this battery is super simple. Simply we need to take the mobile charger, which is micro USB, and simply we need to connect to this battery. You can see here we are getting the indicator here. This may get up to 1.5 to 2 hours to full charge the battery. I have kept this battery on charge for some time. Now let's test this. First we'll check with the multimeter and see how much voltage we are getting. I have charged this battery for around 5 to 10 minutes. Here we are getting 8.8 volts. Now let's test this battery with some motors. We'll see how these motors perform with this battery. First we'll try to run this big motor. We can see here this big motor is not working with this rechargeable battery. We'll try with this small motor now. This small motor is working with this battery. So here it is clear that we can run only small motors with this. These high torque motors we cannot use this battery.